Protect your home from water damage with expert rain gutter solutions in Pasadena, CA from Edgewater Rain Gutter Company. Whether it's seamless gutters, custom designs, or repairs, we've got you covered with reliable craftsmanship. Clogged or leaky gutters? Our team will fix them fast and make sure your system flows smoothly. We specialize in aluminum, copper, and steel gutter installations that add function and curb appeal. From residential homes to commercial buildings, we provide tailored gutter systems that last. Rain in the forecast? Don't wait until there's a problem. Edgewater helps you stay ahead of the storm. We custom fit every gutter to your roofline for maximum performance and minimal maintenance. Say goodbye to standing water and foundation issues with professionally installed rain gutters. Looking to upgrade your old gutters? We offer beautiful, low-maintenance options that blend with your home. Edgewater Rain Gutter Company has proudly served the Pasadena area with integrity and expertise for years. We use only high-quality materials and proven techniques for long-lasting protection. Gutters not draining right? Our inspection and cleaning services keep your system in peak condition. We take pride in honest work, fair pricing, and customer satisfaction every step of the way. Your home deserves the best defense against water damage, and that starts with the right gutter system. Call Edgewater Rain Gutter Company today at 626-914-9033 for a free estimate or to schedule service. Visit us online at www.edgewaterraingutters.com to learn more about our services and see our work.